have this. This is for stay-home mom, housewives. You who says, I can cook food, I can make juice, I can do anything. I have a smartphone. This is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money, side income, or you can turn this side income into a real income generating passive project on a daily basis and monthly basis. This is a project that you can decide and say, no, I'm not going to be paid every month, whether you have a salary or you don't have salary. So this video is mind-blowing, you guys. I want you to stay keen on it. It is simple. Every person on this earth can make money with your smartphone, provided your smartphone, you can connect it with internet, and you're going to do what I'm going to take you through. So did you know that most people they no longer take like fast foods regularly, and some people also no longer take these soft drinks outside? What they do, they make their soft drinks inside their homes. But there are some individuals that cannot manage to make it from their home. So this is an opportunity for you and me to take charge, provided you have the smartphone and you're at home. You make your family juice, you make your family food, you clean your house, you do all sorts of things at home, daily activities. So do you know, I'm going to go with you and I make juice for you. This juice I'm going to do for you, this juice is very healthy. It reduces bloating. It represses the other soft drinks you take. It has nutrients. It has very many different types of fruits that you can involve, and these fruits are not expensive. They're at home. So if you're there out there and you're like, how do I make money? Let me give you this example and you'll know how you can make money. So you are going to go with me and see how I make juice. This juice, if you want this juice, you can DM me. You can put it in the comment section. You can let me make it for you in jelly cans, preservative. It can be preserved for almost 1 month. So if you want it, you can send me a message. So I'm taking you through the whole process, and you know. Now, I've already done an advert. This is for you. It was for educational purposes, you guys. I'm not a financial controller. I'm not a financial guru. This video you see, it is for educational purposes. So if you want to take it, you take it. If you don't want to take it, you don't. But I'm giving you 10%. The 90% you can go and research on your own. So let's go to my kitchen. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make smart money at the comfort of your home, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your living room, in your bedroom. How do you make money? We are talking about making money with daily, day-to-day activities. You don't need to go outside. If you know you don't have a chance to go outside, you have a chance to sit down with your smartphone. Everything you do matters a lot. So if you know really you can't do any other content like the content I'm doing, you can go direct and get smartphone. See, like for example, the juice I'm showing you, I'm using different kind of fruits. You can take up anything. Mine might be fruits, yours might be food. You're good at making kebab, you're good at baking pastries, you're good at making local food. You can specialize in it. When you're preparing this food, you take photos. That is, if you don't want to be in the camera, put on your status. Put anywhere you can put, where your friends can see. And you let them know that you can make for them that type of food. The only thing I'm going to tell you guys, you need to be having a smartphone that can take good, clear pictures. Then after taking clear pictures, if you have the bold step or you have the bold enough, you can go ahead and show the process, because the process matters a lot. When someone sees the way you clean the utensils, how you do it, feels good, and you can just make a clip of it and put it on your status. Now to other people, if you want to expand your horizon and get more bigger passive income, go ahead, take a video of the process of processing this juice, that food you're going to take, whatever you want to explore outside. Because there are people who don't know that you can mix carrot, you can mix ginger, you can mix mint leaf, and all others without putting sugars, you end up getting a very great, nice, healthy juice. Now, the moment you make the process all and you put it on your YouTube, you put it on your TikTok, on Instagram, you are going to be gaining two ways. I've seen people who are making very delicious meals. I came to learn recently of how to make a roll for onre salad. I even didn't know before. Now suppose someone had not posted it on YouTube, I would not have known. So this is the passive way of making money. One, you're going to put it on your social media platforms. You show, I've used this, like the way you can see on the screen. Then after putting it on social media platform, go ahead, take photos, put your contact, put it on your status. Invite individuals who want that kind of a meal, that kind of a service that you are giving. At the comfort of your home, you are going to get someone who say, can you make for me 10 kebabs? Can you make for me 10 pastries, sweet pastries? Can you make for me a barrel of egusi? Oh, Christine, I need that kind of juice, but I don't have time. It takes time for you to go to blend this juice. So you can do this and you package it well. You send it for those people and you're seated at home. And in doing that, it is leveling you up that you can end up produce it massively. It all starts from your bedroom, provided you have a smartphone, you have internet, and you have a focus. Now this is a pro tip, you guys. If you post today, it doesn't mean that all customers are going to get you today, because they need to see you, how consistent, how trustworthy, how do you build loyal customers. You have to do it regularly. You might not do it every day. You're not going to be making juice or making pastry, but the moment you continue posting it on your status, people will know. But if you have a chance that you can do it every day, why not do it? Do you know there are some people who cannot eat melon in their homes, but whenever they find it presented well somewhere, they order for it? Why not do that flour in form of a melon, in form of a cake, and someone orders for it? So this video is purposely for people who says, me, I don't have content, me, I cannot do this, me, I cannot do the other. But you're cooking, you're eating, you're making a lot of things at home, and scrolling somebody's phone, you're checking comedies, you're checking funny stories, your own life, but you forget that this one you're doing at home can make you get money. So before this, you guys, allow me appreciate Team Immaculate Show. Thank you very much for what you have done. How you're doing. Team Immaculate Show on Facebook, TikTok. Immaculate, you're awesome. I love you so much. And to you new subscribers who are here, this is the right place. This is a place that educates you and brings you insights. You can build on them. These are not 100% correct or 100% true. You can go ahead and look for yourselves to dive in it and know what to do more about it. If I tell you that you can take a photo of your pastry, now for you, you can go ahead and look for how do I market it. However, we have also other ways of marketing your things on our channel. You can go and check for it. So here we are, you guys. The moment you take a step in doing all these things, it means you can even write an ebook on how to make your pastry, on how to make this juice. You have example, you have witnesses, testimonies. How has it helped you when you started doing it? People want to get value out of what you're posting on your status. So guys, let's go home, get our smartphones, get what we eat, get what we do at home, and make money out of it. Thank you very much. See you in another video.